Uber Instant Pay lets drivers move earnings from their Uber balance straight to a debit card instead of waiting for the standard weekly payout cycle. By the end, you'll know how Instant Pay actually works inside the Uber driver app, why some transfers fail, and what you need set up so your cash shows up correctly every time. Uber stores your earnings in your driver balance after each trip. That balance updates continuously as you complete rides or deliveries. Instant Pay is the option that moves that balance out of Uber and into your personal debit card on demand. You're not withdrawing from a bank account inside Uber. You're triggering a transfer from your earnings wallet. Not every card works for Instant Pay. Uber requires a supported debit card linked to a major payment network. If your card isn't eligible, the transfer option may not appear, or it may fail after you try it. This is one of the most common reasons drivers think Instant Pay is broken when it's actually a card compatibility issue. Transfers can also be blocked if your earnings are still processing. Some trips take time to fully finalize, especially if adjustments or fare reviews are still pending. In that case, the money shows in your earnings history but won't be available for cash out yet. Using Instant Pay is straightforward once everything is set up. You open the Uber driver app, go to your earnings section, and select the cash out option. Then you choose your linked debit card and confirm the transfer. If everything is eligible, the money leaves your Uber balance and moves to your bank-linked card automatically. If a transfer doesn't go through, the app usually gives a reason. It's often related to card setup, pending earnings, or temporary account restrictions. Fixing those issues usually restores access without needing support, in most cases. The key points are simple. Instant Pay is just a direct transfer from your Uber earnings balance to a linked debit card. It only works with eligible cards and fully cleared earnings. And most failed transfers come down to setup or timing, not the app being down. If you're using Uber regularly, your next step is to check that your debit card is properly linked and confirmed inside the app so Instant Pay works the moment you need it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of Uber earnings, payments and driver tools without the confusion.